Okay, so I need to desolder these 1.5" gray lugs. I can't cut it because I need that part of it sticking on the 2x4 there. So I figured instead of charring up the wood and making the place smell like it's on fire, I figured, well, I'm gonna desolder it from the inside. Well, I've never really thought about doing it like that. And it took me a little bit of time to figure out where to heat it, so I only heat the joint that I want to. But it worked out pretty good. You can see on that one, I heated the other joint up too much, and I had to resolder that just to make sure it don't leak. Now on the other one, I did pretty good. So you can see on the char there. But I have the pipe where I want it, so I'm in good shape. Now this side, I got the idea of where to heat the pipe, so only that first solder joint loosens up, and I'm able to get it off. So all in all, everything worked out pretty good. I'm able to get that off of there. So I never really thought about it, but I'm happy with how it worked out. Definitely try it again. Even if it's not a issue of, burning the place down or not.